In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on vibrate mode on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot touch. When I see touch, I tap on it, and that takes me into the touch related settings page. Alright, now that I'm here on the touch screen, I can see the option labeled vibration. This is what I'm looking for, so I go ahead and tap the toggle to turn vibration off. The change happens immediately, and there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed in the position I set. Everything updates automatically, so I can stay here or leave whenever I'm ready without doing anything extra. Now I'm backing out step by step, heading back through the menus, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap touch, and toggle vibration again as needed. If I leave it set this way, I'll usually spend a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's easy to return here later and adjust it again if I decide I want something different. And that's all there is to it. You've now gone through the steps related to vibration settings on your iPhone, and once you've done it once, it becomes quick and easy to come back and change whenever you need.